Hello everyone, welcome to my Bio-kul classes. I'm Dr. Shaunav Roy और आज यहाँ पे we will be talking about a very important topic which most students are confused कि ये जो NSEJS एग्जाम, ये जो NSE एग्जाम्स, ये IJSO, IMO, ये क्या होता है, इसका स्टेजेस क्या होता है, इसके बारे में स्टूडेंट्स का थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन रहता है। तो आज वी विल ट्राई टू एक्चुअली गिव आई विल ट्राई टू गिव अ ओवरव्यू, जिससे स्टूडेंट्स को एक क्लियर कट आइडिया हो जाएगा कि ये एग्जाम्स के बारे में और कैसे इसका प्रिपरेशन वी हैव टू डू। All these concepts we will discuss in this session of Bio-kul classes. Again, my name is Dr. Shaunav Roy, and keep watching my Bio-kul classes on the YouTube, which will help all the students to get information and to score higher in the exams. तो आज जो टॉपिक आज we will actually talk about all these exams और थोड़ा सा ज्यादा emphasis we will give on biology. बायोलॉजी का what are the books to study है ना, यहाँ पे we will discuss or the strategy. So basically the entire roadmap we will be talking today in this lecture. तो इंटरनेशनल जूनियर साइंस ओलंपियाड, उसके डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टेप्स को हम आज विल स्टडी डिफरेंट स्टेप्स। तो देखो यहाँ पे एक ओवरव्यू है। वी हैव टू पैनल्स हियर, एक लेफ्ट पैनल, एक राइट पैनल। तो लेफ्ट जो पैनल है वहां पे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द जूनियर साइंस, और राइट वाला जो पैनल है वहां पे वी विल टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लास 11-12 का जो एग्जाम्स, जो क्लास 11-12 का स्टूडेंट्स हु टेक द एग्जाम्स मेनली। So we'll talk about first the NSEJS, which is the National Standard Examination Junior Science. तो ये जो नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड एग्जामिनेशन जूनियर साइंस है ये स्टेज 1 होता है। और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हु टेक दिस एग्जाम आर फ्रॉम क्लास 8, 9 and 10 मेनली। और स्टूडेंट्स शुड नॉट पास क्लास 10 टू गिव दिस एग्जाम। और ये फर्स्ट स्टेज एग्जाम होता है। नॉर्मली ये एग्जाम होता है इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर, नवंबर का एंड में होता है। जैसे इस 2022 में 27th ऑफ नवंबर NSEJS का एग्जाम वाज डन। तो यहाँ पे वी कैन लुक एट द स्टूडेंट्स ब्रोशर and we can see कि 27th of November को NSEJS exam was conducted. तो the first जो stage है वहाँ पे total number of students who are selected in the stage 1 are 300. So first stage से 300 students are selected, and these 300 students they move to the second stage, जिसको हम कहते हैं INJSO, यानी कि इंडियन नेशनल जूनियर साइंस ओलंपियाड। दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ दिस ओलंपियाड एग्जामिनेशन स्टेज। INJSO एग्जामिनेशन, यहाँ पे आउट ऑफ 300 who appear for the INJSO, 35 students are selected. और ये 35 स्टूडेंट्स दे गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज, जिसको हम कहते हैं स्टेज 3। इट इज नोन एज OCSC, ओरिएंटेशन कम सिलेक्शन कैंप। ये हो गया स्टेज 3। ओरिएंटेशन कम सिलेक्शन कैंप इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द होमी भाभा सेंटर ऑफ साइंस एजुकेशन, which is called the HBCSE. NSEJS is conducted by the IAPT, Indian Association of Physics Teachers, and OCSC जो स्टेज 3 है, ये एक कैंप जैसा है। तो यहाँ पे these 35 students they have to take first of all, they have to take some kind of training of both practical and theoretical. उसके बाद exams होगा on both practical and theory, and only 6 students, the top 6 students are selected, जिसको they are sent to the PDT, that is the pre-departure training, which is the stage 4 of these Olympiad stages. These 6 students, देखो, they are given rigorous training, rigorous practice, और ये सब कुछ होता है at the HBCSC center, उसका campus में होता है ये सब कुछ. And then these 6 are then finally sent to the IJSO, which is the International Junior Science Olympiad. यहाँ पे these 6 students, they represent India, and India has a very good track record. We've been winning gold medals every year. Parallel to the junior science students, you can see on my right side we have the senior, it's called senior कह सकते हैं, the senior examinations, which is called the National Standard Examination. तो यहाँ पे there is no JS, you see it is National Standard Examination, और ये national जो standard examination होता है ये subject wise होता है. So when we saw the National Standard Examination Junior Science, वहाँ पे all the subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, they are included. Maths जो होता है, there is a little bit of maths, but this maths is basically physics, chemistry based maths, not pure maths, क्योंकि maths के लिए एक अलग सा exams होता है. So NSEJS is a combination exam of physics, chemistry, biology. But when you look at the NSE exams, यहाँ पे subject wise exams होता है. जैसे NSEB, National Standard Examination Biology, NSEP physics के लिए, NSECH chemistry के लिए. Okay, so this is something we have to understand. कि NSEJS में combination होता है, all physics, chemistry, PCB subjects होता है. यहाँ पे we have in the right category, यहाँ पे subject wise exams होता है. तो let's look at the brochure और एक बार. Brochure में साफ-साफ we can see कैसे the NSE exams are subject based. यहाँ पे देखो, we have physics, we have chemistry, we have biology, and also there is astronomy. National Standard Examination for astronomy. We can see the subsequent dates here. एक चीज is very important कि students who are taking the NSEJS, they can't take these NSE exams. और NSE exams जो होते हैं वहाँ पे students जो होता है, students they cannot pass class 12. Students can be normally, if you look at the results, students from class 10, class 11, and class 12, they crack these NSE exams. NSEJS का अगर we are looking at the results, normally students from class 8, 9, and 10, they are cracking the NSEJS. Eligibility for, again, the NSE exams are, you cannot pass class 12. Eligibility for NSEJS is you cannot pass class 10. All the information ये brochure में है. Now, one more poster we need to see. ये poster है, this is a poster which you can get from the IIPT website, है ना. IIPT में जाके, in fact students, you should make a good habit कि हर information IIPT website में मिल जाएगा. वहाँ पे जाके you can see this. Even you should go to the HBCSE, that is Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. इसका website में जाके also you can see all the information, the date of the examination, the syllabus, previous year's question papers, उसका solution, सब कुछ ये सारे websites में it's given. You can also send 100 rupees for previous year's question papers. ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा in these websites. So it's a very good habit कि you should visit these websites. यहाँ पे जाके you can learn information instead of going to any other sites. ये directly you should go to these sites, the IIPT and the HBCSC, because they are the organizing body, है ना. यही exam को these are the bodies जो exam को बनाते हैं, who set up all the rules. Okay, so as you can see here कि these are the different kind of exam. national standard examination for physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, and also the junior science. और we can see कैसे यहाँ पे it's written कि step 2 is toppers of the NSEP, toppers of the NSEC, toppers of NSEB, NSEA, and NSEJS. They actually go to the second stage, जिसको कहते हैं Indian National Olympiad INOS. और INOS से 35 students are you can see 35 toppers of the INO are going to the OCSC, that is the orientation cum selection camp. And you can see that orientation cum selection camp is conducted by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, HBCSE. उसके बाद after OCSC, students are going to the pre-departure training. After pre-departure training, they are going to the International Junior Science Olympiad. तो अभी इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा we'll study in details. Before that, you look at poster में कि once you reach the OCSC, एक बार OCSC level में पहुंच गया तो everybody will be given certificates and gold medals. So students attending the OCSC will be awarded gold medals and a merit certificate in all subjects. Okay. Examination fees is also given, 200 rupees. So going back to the roadmap. थोड़ा सा little bit we'll talk about the International Mathematics Olympiad, जिसको we call IMO. IMO में we see there is stage 1 जिसको हम कहते हैं pre-regional mathematics Olympiad. So pre-regional, it's called the PRMO, इसको हम कहते हैं pre-regional mathematics Olympiad. And ये देखो at the school near you इसका एग्जामिनेशन होता है ना. तो बहुत सारे स्कूल्स दे कैरी आउट द PRMO. स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 8, 9 and 10 they can take this exam. Students who qualify this, देखो they are going to the stage 2 जहाँ पे regional mathematics Olympiad होता है. We call them the RMO, the Regional Mathematics Olympiad, at a small number of centers in the region. कुछ selected centers में this examination is taken. यहाँ पे in this exam 900 students are selected जो जाते हैं in the third stage, जिसको हम कहते हैं Indian National Maths Olympiad, INMO. Around 30 centers across India, they actually organize this Indian National Mathematics Olympiad. 35 students are selected from the Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, or they are sent to the IMO training camp. ठीक जैसे OCSC ट्रेनिंग कैंप होते हैं for physics, chemistry, bio, maths के लिए भी 35 students are.
1.23 final could not be reverted.
एक बार just 1 second. So out of 35 students IMO training camp में 6 students are basically selected. देखो they go to the pre-departure camp, और यहाँ पे they're giving rigorous training, ठीक जैसे होता है in physics, chemistry and biology, and this is taken care by the HBCSC, Homi Bhabha Center of Science Education. Okay. And they then 6 of these they go to the International Olympiad for representing India. Okay. So now each stage के बारे में थोड़ा details में we'll study. What do we see? The International the national standard examination in Julian science, that is the NSEJS. As I said, 300 students are normally, देखो यहाँ पे they qualify, and it is organized by the IAPT, that is the Indian Association of Physics Teachers. Qualified students will receive a certificate after qualifying the first stage. And then they move to the second stage, जिसको हम कहते हैं Indian National Junior Science Olympiad. Again, out of the 335 will be selected, and these 35 students, the exam is conducted by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, and they are conducted at 15 centers in India. Third stage is the orientation cum selection camp, जिसको हम कहते हैं OCSC. Out of these 35 students जो IJSO में they are selected, the Indian National Junior Science Olympiad, देखो only top 6 इस camp में will be selected. Okay. So इस camp में 6 will be selected and they will go to the PDT, that is the pre-departure training. ये camp में क्या होता है? Again, this camp is organized by the HBCSC. First 2 or 3 weeks, students they have to go through theory and experimental tests. उसके बाद there will be an experimental and theory exam. Okay, पहले ये 35 students will be given a orientation session. They will be given an orientation session of theory and experimental test 2 या 3 weeks के लिए. उसके बाद in the orientation camp, experimental and theory exams will be conducted, जहाँ से 6 toppers will be selected. ये जो 6 toppers जो select हो गया OCSC में, they will receive a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. एक चीज students you have to understand कि all the 35 students जो OCSC में जाता है, they are getting the gold medal. If we go back to the students brochure, यहाँ पे they saying कि students attending the OCSC will be awarded the gold medal and a merit certificate. So all these 35 students जो OCSC में select हो गया after cracking the Indian National Junior Science Olympiad, इसको gold medal मिलने वाला है. तो ये step में जाना is a big thing. These 35 students देखो to cracking the IJSO and going to the OCSC, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a very big thing. If you are selected after this, then that's an enormous thing that you're representing India. Okay. So then we have the pre-departure training, which is the PDT. PDT is, again, it is organized by the HBCSE. Or the 6 qualified merit awardees are rigorously trained so that they can take the IJSO examination. Rigorous training is conducted on various topics which will be asked in the examination. And देखो यहाँ पे HBCSC में ही they are trained. Finally, we go to the Olympics of all Olympiads. इसको कहते हैं Olympics of all Olympiad. We call it International Junior Science Olympiad. India से 6 students they represent, और उसके साथ 3 teachers or leaders actually they are actually accompanying the students. Students के साथ 3 teachers भी जाते हैं, and they go and represent India. Going to देखो ये सारी चीज we have showed. देखो यहाँ पे एक announcement for this year. Dates for the Indian national examinations are fixed, which is basically the stage 2 of the examinations. अभी जो I described है ना. So stage 1 is the NSEJS, stage 2 is the INOJS. तो स्टेज 2 का जो एग्जामिनेशन डेट्स देखो विल बी हैपनिंग, एंड आल्सो फॉर द NSE. तो यहाँ पे 2 कैटेगरीज हैं, राइट? वी हैव द जूनियर साइंस एंड वी हैव आल्सो द सीनियर एग्जामिनेशंस. तो ये जो INO का डेट्स, इंडियन नेशनल ओलंपियाड्स का जो डेट, INO का जो डेट्स, उसका डेट्स हैज बीन अनाउंस्ड 28th of January. आज is 24th of January. So आज से 4 days after, 4 दिन बाद 28th of January astronomy. Then there is the 28th is the junior science, which is the INOJS. उसके बाद we have the INOC. INOP and INOB, है ना, ये सब एग्जाम्स. सो INOPH, INOC, INOP, इसका dates are given here. तो इसको देख के you can give an understand कि the exams are taking place, the junior science in the NSEJS is happening on the 27th of November, and the Indian national exams are happening on the 28th of January, है ना. तो ये एक timeline का idea you can get कि November is the first stage and then you have January is the second stage examination. Total 80 marks होता है normally. I mean 80 questions are there and there is 240 marks. हर correct question के लिए, हर correct answer के लिए 3 marks मिलता है and negative marking होता है wrong answer के लिए. Okay, so total we have 80 questions, 240 marks, plus 3 for a correct answer, minus 1 for a wrong answer. Some news, 2021 में these are the 6 Indian students देखो who went to Dubai, है ना, UAE, जहाँ पे they represented India, और देखो they all won the gold medals, है ना, they have made India proud. ये 2021 का these are the finalists who went to the IJSO examination. 2019 में these are the 6 students देखो who went for the who represented India in the International Junior Science Olympiad, or it was organized in Doha, Qatar. Some books to study for NSEJS. यहाँ पे I said कि we will focus on the biology. तो biology कौन सा books जिसको हमको we should study. First thing is 9th and 10th का जो NCERT books, ये NSEJS exam के लिए इसको तो पढ़ना ही है. We should know everything about the NCERT books. It's a must. उसके बाद 11th and 12th का पूरा बायोलॉजी you should study, it is recommended. अगर ये सब एग्जाम में क्रैक करना है तो 11th 12th का बायोलॉजी you should study the NCERT books, पूरा के पूरा entire thing you have to study. I know it's a very hard work, but देखो अगर students are preparing for this NSEJS exam, ये तैयारी will also make you ready for NEET examination. ये सोचना है कि this will also make you ready for the NEET examinations. Can you imagine in class 10 only you're getting ready for the NEET examination? So pura 11 and 12, once you finish 11 and 12 biology in class 10, you can understand how much strong your preparation will be, है ना. ये सारे students who are actually जो बहुत मन लगा के NSEJS के लिए तैयारी करते हैं, वो students को NEET को क्रैक करना बहुत easy हो जाता है. From my experience, I've seen students who actually are targeting NSEJS at this 9 and 10 level. उसके लिए NEET becomes very easy. So I'm telling you कि NSEJS एग्जाम में it doesn't matter देखो if you're going to the OCSC level या PET level, ये मैटर नहीं होता है. ये जो अगर ढंग लगा के if you're preparing, even if you don't actually make it to the top 6 or top 35, doesn't matter. ये preparation prepares you for the NEET examination. Okay. Previous year's question paper is very, very important. At least 10 years का question papers 2008 से more than 10 years 2008 to 2022 का you should actually you should do all the previous year's question papers. Books में Campbell biology, उसके बाद Pearson's objective biology by Dinesh, उसके बाद Truman's elementary biology by G.R. Truman and Subodh Mahanti. ये सारे books are some of the books students can study. More you study, the better concepts you will have. What are the topics? General topics: cell biology, genetics, evolution, plant physiology, animal physiology, ecology, biotechnology, human physiology. All these things are there. And basically NCERT का 9, 10, 11, 12 we are talking about, है ना. तो हर chapter we have to study. कोई भी chapters को हम छोड़ नहीं सकते, because these are very, very top, very, very important. ये NSEJS and these INOs are the toughest exam, India का toughest exam, है ना. So I keep telling students कि इसके preparation will make you NEET ready in your after class 12. So that is all I have to say, students. आज we'll meet more. Keep watching my Bio-kul classes for more information. And देखो, I will be solving PYQs of all these NSEJS examination. So keep watching my Bio-kul classes to get more knowledge. And देखो, all these My classes will help you to eventually do good in these examinations, including the NEET. Bye-bye. Take care. See you later.